What's going on? It's your boy c-trel, and today I'm about to do a tutorial video on an AI DJ app called DJay. Alright, I go by c-trel. I'm a hip-hop artist. I am now a producer and DJ, you know what I mean? I added that to my hats that I wear. I also do tutorial videos on my YouTube about AI, Webull, Robinhood, different music distribution platforms. I have music videos on there. I'm whipping in the kitchen with c-trel. A whole bunch of different stuff on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check that out. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, like it, share it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this DJay A.I DJing app. What's going on? It's your boy c-trel, and I'm here today to tell you about Factor, okay? What is Factor? Factor is great ready-made meals delivered to your doorstep. When you sign up for Factor, you are going to get chef-created meals that are fresh, never frozen, and designed by dietitians to ensure every meal is packed with premium, science-backed nutritional quality. All right, no more meal preps, no more dishes, no more mess. Okay, you are getting ready-made meals that are better than fast food, way healthier than fast food, and it is offered and brought to your door. Okay, the menus are updated weekly and include over 27 meals and over 34 plus add-on options. Okay, choose your favorite meals, or if you're like me and sometimes you don't know what you want, let them craft your order based on your taste preferences and meal history. Okay, Factor is very convenient. It helps you reach your fitness and wellness goals. They also have preference options such as keto, calorie smart, vegan, and vegetarian. And there's something for everyone, okay? You can have meal plans range from 4 to 18 meals per week, and you can add more or reduce the number depending on your specific needs, okay? Now, I'm here to tell you that I can get you 50% off of your first box from Factor, okay? Please, right here in this bottom left corner, all right? You can use my code to sign up with Factor and get 50% off. Say c-trel sent you. I'm out. All right. The first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store on your iPhone. Go to search. Type in DJay A.I. Search. All right. It's going to be the first one. All right. DJ app and AI mixer. All right. Click on it. So to get more information on this, let's see what they have to say. Scratch, mix, play, neutral mix, intelligent audio mix, create your own beats, mix music and visuals. You got over 1,000 loops, samples, and visuals. All right. Here's all the benefits and all the perks that come with the app. All right. So here's the app, all right? So go ahead and download it. Once you download it, hit open. All right, you can join the Pro AI subscription. However, you do not have to, so go in the top left corner, hit the X. All right, hit the X in the middle, and here you go, all right? This is the DJay app, all right? So I'm gonna go do a quick tutorial on how you can start mixing on here. So the first thing I would do is do landscape. All right, you see the top left and the top right blinking? That means you're gonna choose your music files. All right, so right here next to the cancel button, you can go down to your files, click the plus button, add files. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these beats I created. Run it up, chillax, open, go to link files, and here it is on here. Now I have other files on here as well. However, we're not gonna use that in this tutorial. So we're gonna go with run it up. Then we're gonna go with chillax. Leave a comment and say why you didn't like it as well. All right, appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.